Shut off that fucking video!
Is mom triggered already?
I'ma show you dumb bitches how to make a fucking pizza!
Hello and welcome everybody, I'm a world-renowned famous. Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to cook a frozen pizza. I've never actually cooked a pizza before. I've never cooked anything before. I'm an immigrant! First thing you're gonna wanna do is remove the plastic from your pizza. I have a... I laughed too hard at my own jokes. I have a flashlight here. Oh my god, it looks like spicy diarrhea. Assistant, please hand me a spoon. Why, of course, Kaliroi! Ooh, it smells like barbecue.
I know.
What is this? Why is there a child in my kitchen?
You said you were my mother.
I lied for views.
You wish people would dab on you.
Sometimes I listen to diss tracks and pretend they're about me to feel important.
Nasty, nasty boy!
Why are you king shaming the pizza? Who eats pizza with the sauce on top of the cheese?
Now that it's out of the oven, we're gonna have our youngest viewer taste it.
Your youngest child.
I don't know you! Why is there a child in my living room?
Now that the pizza is out of the oven, we're gonna have my youngest child taste test it. Here you go, my child.
Smells like alcohol. What the fuck? What are those? You trying to fool me, Bob?
I got doxxed!
White people food.
Ah yes, as expected. Tastes like absolute shit. What, I'm done, fuck you!